Introduce highlight features or overview summary of EYROZILL 2026 to 2027 Full Year Wall Calendar, Large Folded Calendar, February 2026 to December 2027. There are features include compact foldable design. The foldable design makes this calendar easy to ship, store, and set up. Slight creases may appear. Press with a heavy object before use for a smooth display. 2-year wall calendar. This large wall calendar covers a full 24 months from January 2026 to December 2027, with 1.6 x 1.7 inches date boxes offering ample space for notes, schedules, and deadlines. Built to last. Crafted with waterproof PET film, this whiteboard wall calendar stands up to spills and wear, ensuring your notes stay clear and intact for the long haul. Easy to write and clean. The specially treated surface allows for smooth writing and quick erasing with the 4 markers and dry erase eraser included, leaving no stains behind. Flexible mounting. Come with 12 push pins and 10 transparent adhesive stickers. This calendar can be easily mounted on various wall surfaces, whether smooth or rough. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.